From powder-filled bowls to massive terrain parks and legendary backcountry lines, the United States is home to some of the best snowboarding mountains in the world. Whether you're chasing deep powder, freestyle jumps or long carving runs, these resorts deliver unforgettable winter experiences. Today we're counting down the best snowboarding resorts in the USA, including each mountain's elevation, difficulty mix, and how many riders hit the slopes every year. Let's drop in! Number 10. Mount Bachelor, Oregon. Starting at number 10 is Mount Bachelor, located right outside Bend, Oregon. With a summit elevation of 9,065 feet, this extinct volcano offers 360-degree riding from the peak. The mountain is well balanced with 15% beginner, 35% intermediate, and 50% expert terrain, giving riders room to progress or push limits. About 500,000 skiers and snowboarders visit each year, drawn to its dry powder and vast tree runs. Number 9. Mammoth Mountain, California. At number 9 is Mammoth Mountain, one of California's snowboarding giants. Sitting at 11,053 feet, it boasts one of the longest riding sessions in the US. Mammoth slopes are spread across 20% beginner, 40% intermediate, and 40% expert terrain, with massive open bowls and world-class terrain parks. Nearly 1.3 million visitors come annually, including many professional snowboarders who train here. Number 8. Copper Mountain, Colorado. Number 8 brings us to Copper Mountain, a freestyle favorite in Colorado. With a summit of 12,313 feet, Copper is known for naturally divided terrain that separates skill levels perfectly. The mountain offers 21% beginner, 25% intermediate, and 54% expert terrain, along with Woodward's premier training parks. Around 1 million riders visit every winter, many coming specifically for its jumps, pipes, and progression zones. Number 7. Brighton Resort, Utah. Coming in at number 7 is Brighton Resort, nestled in Utah's Big Cottonwood Canyon. Sitting at 10,500 feet, Brighton is beloved for its all-mountain freestyle vibe and some of the best natural terrain features in the US. The breakdown includes 21% beginner, 40% intermediate, and 39% expert terrain. Around 500,000 visitors ride Brighton every season, especially locals who love its laid-back snowboard culture. Number 6. Steamboat Resort, Colorado. At number 6, Steamboat Resort brings its famous champagne powder to the list. With a summit of 10,568 feet, Steamboat's terrain offers 14% beginner, 42% intermediate, and 44% expert runs. Smooth glades and playful tree lines make it a dream for snowboarders. Roughly 1 million riders visit each year to experience its soft, buttery snow. Number 5. Park City Mountain, Utah. Number 5 is Park City Mountain, the largest lift-access ski and snowboard resort in the United States. With peaks reaching 10,026 feet, its massive terrain includes 8% beginner, 42% intermediate, and 50% expert slopes. Park City's world-famous terrain parks attract freestyle riders from around the world. It welcomes roughly 1.8 million visitors annually. Number 4. Telluride Ski Resort, Colorado. Coming in at number 4 is Telluride, a remote mountain paradise located in Colorado's San Juan Range. With a summit elevation of 13,150 feet, it offers dramatic alpine bowls and scenic ridgelines. Difficulty leans toward 23% beginner, 36% intermediate, and 41% expert terrain. Telluride receives around 450,000 visitors each season, making it less crowded but exceptionally high in quality. Number 3. Big Sky Resort, Montana. At number 3, Big Sky Resort delivers one of the most expansive snowboarding playgrounds in America. With Lone Peak towering at 11,166 feet, the resort offers 15% beginner, 25% intermediate, and 60% expert terrain, including some of the steepest inbounds runs in the country. Despite its size, it sees about 650,000 visitors a year, giving riders more space and fewer lift lines than many popular resorts. Number 2. Vail Mountain, Colorado. In the number 2 spot is Vail Mountain, famous for its legendary back bowls and luxurious resort village. The summit reaches 11,570 feet, with a well-rounded terrain mix of 18% beginner, 29% intermediate, and 53% expert runs. Vail's 7 massive bowls offer endless powder days and big open carving lines, perfect for snowboarding. More than 1.6 million visitors hit Vail every season, making it one of the busiest and best snow resorts in the world. Number 1. Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, Wyoming. And at number 1, the best snowboarding resort in the USA is Jackson Hole Mountain Resort. With a summit elevation of 10,450 feet and one of the steepest vertical drops in North America, Jackson Hole is a bucket list destination for serious snowboarders. The terrain is famously challenging, with 10% beginner, 40% intermediate, and 50% expert terrain, including steep chutes, cliffs, and the legendary Corbett's Couloir. Around 700,000 riders visit each season, ready to test their skills on some of the wildest terrain in the country. Let us know in the comments your favorite snowboarding destination. Subscribe and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Thanks for watching and happy shredding!